Hello and welcome to a new tutorial. This is Nilofer from Me with a Pencil. Today we are painting a gingerbread man. So let's get started. So to begin, I'm using two brushes, one a liner and one thick brush. Mostly I'll be painting with a thick brush. I'm going to be using three different colors. One is a red brown, another is a brown like sienna, brown sienna, burnt sienna or something, and third is a raw umber. For my red, I'm using a bright red from Sennelier. Now let's begin. To begin, I am going to be creating a ginger man by water. I'm going to be creating a water puddle first. You can do an outline, a small outline with a pencil. I like to sketch these small I like to sketch with water. So I'll be making a water puddle around. For paper, I am using arch paper, 185 GSM arch paper. You can use any 100% cotton paper. For this technique, I would recommend to use 100% cotton paper. You can use Chitrapad, Khadi, or any, even Blues to 100% cotton paper works best, but use 100% cotton paper. So now you can see I've finished making my waterman, and now I'm adding colors. So here we are using a drop wet on wet. This is what I like to call a drop wet on wet. So where I add the red color, the first color, that is the red color, red brown color on the corners, on the edges, and slowly shift them from one side to another. When you add these colors, they're going to explode and going to merge into different colors or different corners. Try to navigate them into different areas or different corners. And now I'm picking up some excess water. So when we are creating water puddle, because I was going to be working on the whole gingerbread, I've added a lot of water. So the whole character stays wet on the paper. Hence, I add a lot of water. Once I've added some color, I'll remove the excess of water because I don't want the colors to accumulate there and make it look muddy and puddled. So now, after adding the red brown, I'm adding some raw umber to give on the edges, to darken, to add some shadow, darken the areas like corners, and some raw, and just a touch of red browns on the sides, like on the toe, on the hands, and on the head area. So now we're going to be leaving some space, the middle area white. I don't want to cover it with color. I'm going to let it be a little white. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We keep adding new content every week. And if you like this post, if you like this video, please hit a thumbs up and comment if you have any idea or anything that you want to share with us on the comments below. So now, to create the eyes, since it's 100% cotton paper, it's still wet, right? So what I am doing is I'm picking up some color, to create white space for the eye and the lip and the mouth area. Once you've picked up some color, I'm just creating an outline where I've picked up the color. Now the next step is adding a dress. So I want to add a dress coat, like a jumper, to my gingerbread, and so I'm going to be using the bright red So that's why I've left the white space, if you see, so that the color does not merges in with my brown and changes the tone of the color. So hence I've left some white space over there. Now we'll let it dry for some time. Once you finished adding the whole one coat, I'll let it dry. And after the paper has semi-dried, the first layer semi-dries, we're going to add a second layer of bright red to the jumper, and so that it looks a little brighter. For buttons, I'm adding a green color. You can use sap green, hooker green, any green. It gives a good contrast with the red. So for the buttons, I'm going to be using that. For this technique, to add the details and little details like the buttons and everything, you need the paper to dry a little, like a semi-dry. Now we're going to work on the eyes and the mouth. So I'm using a gouache, a white gouache, because what we left in the previously what we left off is not 100% white. So we're going to add some white gouache and create the eyes and the lips. You can also use the same white to add some decorations to your gingerman. Wrap up, I'm going to add some details here and there where you feel that you need to brighten up. I'm adding a little brown to the eyes, on the corner of the eyes, just to give a little sparkle, to add a little sparkle to the eyes. And yeah, that's about it. Here is your gingerman. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like the video and subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much, and bye bye.